In this video, we will review how to schedule a conference using Polycom's Web Suite portal. Navigate to the WSP web interface and log in as a user. Once you are logged in, you have large icons to choose from on the screen. First, let's review the layout and options on the page. Select the menu icon in the upper right corner of the interface. The menu appears down the right side of the page. The Home button takes you back to the front screen. The Meet Now, Schedule Meeting, and Join Meeting buttons are the same as the big buttons on the home screen. Click the Contacts menu option. Select the Setup link in the top corner. You can now add contacts for easy access and adding to conferences. Add at least one contact using this page. Move down to the Calendar icon. The calendar allows you to see the conference schedule on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. Now let's go back to the home screen. Click the Schedule Meeting button. Add several contacts to your meeting. Notice that the saved contact appears at the top of the search list as you begin to type. Fill in the subject, an agenda, and select the date and time to start the conference. The Add Time Zones option allows you to see the time that other participants are being asked to join the call. You can also upload files that will be used during the meeting. The size and types of files are listed here. Finally, check the options that you wish to use at the bottom of the interface. Clicking the Use Personal VMR will reflect your VMR number. Also, the conference creator can allow participants to upload documents to the meeting. Once you have added the conference parameters, click the Schedule button at the bottom of the page. You now see the Meeting Scheduled Successfully page with the allocated VMR number and the ability to edit the scheduled conference. Next, click the Calendar menu and find the scheduled meeting. Clicking the Time or the Future link brings up a window with details on the conference. The web URL is an easy link to join the call from your browser. Now navigate to your email software and find the meeting invite that was sent. It would look similar to the email I have here. Next, go to the home screen of the WSP interface and click the Meet Now button. It doesn't look much different than the scheduling option, but there is no date and time. Meet Now allows you to start a conference immediately. The Join Meeting button allows you to input a VMR number and join a call. This concludes our review of scheduling a Web Suite conference.